back, my YouTube friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Real quickly, before we get into it, I just want to say that I am trying to get out as many job leads this week that I can. I will be taking a vacation next week, the week of Memorial Day that starts like May 29th through like June 2nd. So if you don't see a lot of videos from me next week, that is why I have not disappeared from YouTube. But with that being said, today's job lead is a part-time work from home job lead. It is going to be customer service, but it is with the TJX parent company. Now they own companies that you might know, such as TJ Maxx, Marshall's, Homegoods. This is remote for select states only. Those states are going to be Wyoming, Alabama, Florida, Georgia, Kansas, Louisiana, Nebraska, Texas, North Dakota, and Arkansas. If you live in one of those states and you're interested in doing a customer service, they are looking for somebody to answer their toll-free customer service calls and correspondence, including letters and internet emails. You'll field customer questions, resolve standard customer complaints, document that information into the call tracking system. So you'll accurately respond to all communications, phones, letters, emails. You're going to resolve difficult and sensitive customer issues in a timely manner. You'll promote a positive company image while doing so. You also may have to make updates to customer addresses for the loyalty programs and adjust rewards points for those programs when needed. Now, it does say you have to utilize a cable internet provider. You cannot use a satellite, but of course they don't require any kind of college degree, just 1 to 3 years of retail customer service or call center experience, someone who has a flexible mindset towards conflict resolution, strong listening skills, great communication skills, and of course you have to know how to use a computer. If this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.